Hey, do you have a stubborn plantar wart? Listen up. At our clinic, we specialize in treating stubborn plantar warts every day. What sets us apart? Our work and our results. We proudly share real results on Facebook, Instagram, our website, TikTok. These are real patients, real treatment with over 50 before and after images. Many have tried everything from salicylic acid, cryotherapy with liquid nitrogen, home remedies like over-the-counter freezing spray, applying duct tape, and many other options. But plantar warts can be very stubborn. That's why we use swift microwave therapy. Swift microwave penetrate to a specific depth, about 4 to 5 millimeters below the skin, and elevate the tissue temperature to roughly 105 degrees Fahrenheit to trigger heat shock response. Swift targets the viruses, which microwaves, triggering your body immune system response to eliminate the wart. Safe, effective, no needles, no drugs, minimal discomfort. Swift microwave therapy is the future of treating plantar warts. Book your consultation with us today and say goodbye to that stubborn plantar wart for good.